Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to fix the apps which are crashing all the time. So the first thing, which might be obvious for a lot of you, is to soft reset or actually just restart your device. Sometimes this simple operation helps. So all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together once, and then tap on reboot. After that, simply enter the app and check whether it is still crashing. Hopefully not, of course. If there is still a problem, then let's open the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll and go to the apps and tap on all apps. Here in this list, just find the app which is crashing all the time. So let's pretend in my case it is the camera. After tapping on it, we have to simply tap on force stop, just like that. Confirm it with OK, and now you can also either try to enter the app again or try to restart your device to, let's say, confirm the changes. What's more, another thing is to check for the app updates, because sometimes the crashes will be fixed by the developers. So all you have to do is to enter the Play Store. And be aware, because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either do it right now on your own, so after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now let's enter this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. So here in this list you will be able to find the available updates. So of course find the app which keeps crashing, mark it, and then tap on Update icon in the right upper corner. Your device will download the update, and after that it will be immediately and automatically applied. So you just have to wait and then try to open the app. Another thing is to actually uninstall the app. So let me go to the list of apps again, and let's pretend that maybe Opera is now working great. So just tap on it and you can tap on Uninstall. So uninstall the app, wait a second, and then try to install it again. Sometimes it could help and fix the problem. Another thing is to check for the system updates, because sometimes the system also affects the apps, and the newer version could help. So to do that, we have to enter the settings, and here in this left section, scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Then let's tap on System Update, and your device will basically check for the updates, and if there is update pending, it will show the information about it, and it will start to download it immediately. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, so your device will be able to download it and then apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.